Hi everyone, my name is Tia. I'm from Nordwin Group and now we will take you through Nordwin Entrepreneurship Program.
Hi, welcome to Nordwin. I'm here to tell you a little more about the Nordwin Group. We are a collection of companies that do a lot of ideation work. We do consulting. We are in the field of biofuels. We are in the field of artist management. We also have restaurants where we do consulting for restaurants as well as set up our own concept restaurants. The idea behind Nordwin Group is to nurture a certain feeling of entrepreneurship and responsibility amongst our employees. What we do is we generate a lot of business ideas for our clients as well as for an internal library where we keep making these brainstorming. We keep having these brainstorming sessions. We generate a lot of new business ideas and either transfer them to the client or keep them in the library and wait for when the time is right for them.
We are diverse, young, dynamic,
We are creative.
Energetic.
We are hard work.
we are fun!
We are innovative.
So, in effect, the Nordwin Entrepreneurship Program is a logical evolution of that because we're just continuing the tradition of Nordwin, which is, entrepreneurship. It's divided into two parts. The program, for the first 18 months, you will be working with each of the Nordwin Group companies as well as our associates. These are companies at different stages of life, so you can work with a company which is only an idea on paper. It could be just a very young startup. It could be an existing company. It could be a company that has grown now for about 5 to 6 years and is, at that inflection point. The idea is to, you work with different kinds of entrepreneurs and you learn what are the possible problems that an entrepreneur faces in their business. How do you get your team together to resolve those problems? How do you bootstrap? How do you go out into the market? How do you reach out to people? How do you conduct research? How do you raise funds? Essentially, every single aspect of running your own business. That's what you will do for 18 months. That's your learning period. At the end of 18 months, you get 6 months to develop your own business idea and figure out what you want to do in the future. So there shall be no bonuses, there shall be no promotions, and there shall be no increments that you can expect during the course of the program. 25,000 is what you get as stipend during the entire program. That also can count towards the savings that you have at the end of the program to fund your own business plan.
Guidance,
Knowledge,
mentorship,
experience,
inspiration.
because after those 2 years you'll be fired.
After these 2 years, you will be fired. Now, here's what happens after 2 years when you're starting out into your own business.
So after the 2 years of the program, we'll evaluate the business plans that you've created. If we like your business plans, we'll fund them, or else if you like them but are unable to fund them, we'll help you start up and get your funds.
A unique advertising platform, the world of animation, a chic restaurant and a ceramic studio. Well, this diverse portfolio sketches Akshat Rathi's success story as an investor. An engineer and MBA, Akshat started Nordwin Group 3 years back to support budding entrepreneurs realize their dream a little faster.
Our USP is to go ahead and figure out these really cool companies, these really fun companies, these really strong companies who are very young and get their 2-year dream to them in about 2 to 3 months.
Taking companies from the ground level to the sky within months is Akshat's funding mantra. Whether exchanging ideas or the decision to infuse more cash, all critical decisions can be taken on a walk, just like in case of MobiMe. Nordwin invested $10 million in this mobile media company and also helped with its first national client.
Nordwin just gave us a break we required to get it big into the national scene, especially as a struggling startup. I'll give you a very simple example. I was sitting in Trivandrum and one day Akshat calls up from Delhi and says, I've got you a meeting with the CEO and CM of Vodafone, take the next flight out of Delhi. So I'm shocked. I go and check up on the internet and I see the full fare flights are like 15,000 rupees. And startups fly on economy, we never take full fare flights. I called up Akshat and said, it's 15,000 rupees, can we do it later? He tells me, you don't get to meet the CEOs on a national operator on a daily basis. take the next flight out, come to Delhi. And I just listened to him, took the next flight out. Next day morning, I can't believe I'm sitting at, I think, Taj, and we're meeting the CEO and CMO of Vodafone. Possibly in the next 4 weeks, we had a deal signed and inked with Vodafone. That was the first national deal in any telecom operator in this country.
So if unique idea worked for MoBme, scalability of the business model attracted Akshat to invest in Chi Restaurant.
Chi again was something which is very interesting. It's Delhi's first chic Chinese restaurant. So all Chinese restaurants would normally say, we are red, we are authentic Chinese. So you either have a Yo China model, which is a better glorified street food model, or you have a mainland China model, which is very prim, very proper, very great, excellent food. We kind of wanted to bring TGIF to Chinese food. It had a huge potential to grow, good space, good niche space, excellent food, made sense.
Well versed with all kinds of financials that are involved in a company. So that way, the way we were analyzing the P&L statement, and after Nodwin Group has come in, the way they are analyzing, so there's a complete difference. We analyze it from a restaurateur's perspective, which we've been doing since ages, but there's a lot of fresher, new ideas, new perspectives that have really come in once Nodwin Group has kind of been associated with us. Also, they've been able to save something on the service tax, which we were not aware of, and which has helped us save a lot of money annually.
Ideally investing anything between 1 lakh rupees to 50 lakh rupees, Nodwin Group has interest in sectors like hospitality, media and biotech. The equity stakes in a company varies between 15% to 40%, and although open to other sectors, certain investment criteria top the list.
We need to go ahead and find out these really young, these really unique companies, and it's the idea. First, it's the idea, and it's in the space you need to be in. Second, it's the speed at which you're growing and the speed at which you can grow. Third is the person behind it. That person needs to be extremely passionate, that this person believes in the future. And fourth, this person has to have an open mind, because we are not like your traditional investment bankers. We are pretty much angel investors who are at the grassroots, whose competence is to go ahead and invest into companies and support companies through the business development route. And we'd like these companies to grow over 100-200% in the first year and the second year, because that's the objective. If you can't grow a small company at that level, then there's something missing.
And while mentoring, Akshat does not neglect an entrepreneur's full involvement in important business decisions.
We love people who can go ahead and run their own companies by themselves. But we often find out that when startups come in, startups need some very basic and very important assistance, which they're not good in. It's also to go ahead and say, we can nurture you by, here's the thing, stand. Don't worry about things, do what you're good at. Keep doing what you're good at. We'll help you there in the rest of the things. Marketing is another place where we go ahead and get involved. So everyone has a brilliant idea, and we then go ahead and come across as support staff to this. The objective is to go ahead and help them keep focusing on what they're good at and growing that part.
No more, says 22-year-old Harsh Narang. A final year student of IIT Delhi, Harsh is the brain behind Focus Copy in Delhi. Like the name suggests, his startup allows students to photocopy notes for free. He in turn charges money to advertisers for placing their ads on the back of the to-be photocopied papers.
Swabhimanya has been designed to serve the urban poor of the country. Akshat is one of the directors, and I think when we tied up with him and with Nodwin, Swabhimanya was just a concept. In the last 45 or 50 days, and now we're ready to move into our own office, both Akshat and Nodwin have been of tremendous help with their guidance, help and assistance, both with incubation as well as leveraging of their existing networks for our concept and for our business plan. If Swabhimanya grows big and becomes a concept worth mattering in this country, I think it owes a big thanks to Akshat and to Nodwin for their early stage help and support.
Today, we take a look at a company that's managed to strike common ground between companies ranging from Mahindra to Goldman Sachs.
What if our children could never experience the joy of dancing in the rain?
Earth 100 is one such collaboration of some of the biggest names in India to approach the problem, but with a difference.
The joy of running barefoot on grass.
There was a client in Bangalore called Goldman Sachs, and they gave us a very interesting proposition. They went ahead and asked us, saying, how do you go ahead and reduce the carbon footprint of our location in Bangalore? So we went and did a lot of research and a lot of ideation, and the final idea that was picked was an idea to run a commercial fleet of vehicles for Goldman Sachs which consumed no diesel at all.
Earth 100 presents.
Say hello to the next generation invention by Earth 100, the biofuel. And what is biofuel really? Biofuel is a renewable liquid fuel coming from biological raw material and has been proved to be a good substitute for fossil fuel. It makes 100% biofuel and not blended biodiesel. The plants used are non-edible feedstock such as jatropha, karanje and ambadi. This fuel results in zero carbon and zero sulfur dioxide emissions, which means up to 78% less carbon dioxide emissions over the entire life cycle. But what is the difference in biofuel and normal diesel?
On a technical basis, nothing. Any fuel which can be consumed in a vehicle called an internal combustion engine has to have certain properties. It has to have something called, at this temperature it will burn. This is the heat it will give. This is the energy it will give. So these are the characteristics of any fuel. The only real difference between biodiesel and normal diesel is where it comes from.
Earth 100 believes that a robust economic model that ensures livelihood for the common man and does not hamper with food security is a viable solution to the fuel problem. And that's their vision.
I'd like to end this with our tagline, and it's very important to Earth 100. The tagline of Earth 100 says, we do not inherit the planet from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children.
Think out of the box.
You have an entrepreneurial spirit. Apply for our program if you want to be an entrepreneur and you believe that you have a good idea that you want to put into action, or you believe that you can come up with one in those 24 months spent with us. Also, it is very important that you're capable of putting that initial capital into your future business.